Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I'm your host Tamim. Hope so you're gonna like our new video. এই দেখো আমার বাংলাদেশে ইউটিউব চ্যানেল আমরা অনেক দিন ধরে একটা সিজন করতে যাচ্ছিলাম যে জায়গায় আমরা আপনাদের বাংলাদেশি ট্রেডিশনাল খাবার রান্না করে দেখানোর জন্য অনেক চেষ্টা করছিলাম। বাট এই প্যান্ডেমিকের জন্য আমরা কিছুই করতে পারতেছিলাম এক্সেপ্ট স্টুডিওর ভিতরে বাদে। আজকে আমরা অনেক কষ্ট করে বাড়িওয়ালা থেকে ছাদে পারমিশন নিয়েছি ভিডিও শুট করার জন্য। সো লেটস কন্টিনিউ। ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমরা বিফ ট্রিম করব। ওয়াই ইউ আর ডুইং বিফ ট্রিমিং? বাট আজকে আমরা তেহারি রান্না করব বাই ইউজিং পায়া। সো প্রথমত আমরা পায়াটা ট্রিমিং করে দেখাবো কিভাবে ট্রিম করতে হয়। অ্যান্ড দিস দ্য ফার্স্ট টাইম উই আর cooking tehari with paya, so don't butcher us on the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. So let's continue. And now we are gonna trim out the meat. So for sanitization and disgusting meat smell, I'm gonna wear gloves. Bro, where did you get these cheap gloves? First of all, you got a gamla though. This is a gamla, right?
Yeah.
So we got some beef. So let's see how to trim it out. We're gonna get all the fat out from here. So we're getting all the small broken bones and the disgusting part of meats and some oil that's gonna make our food way disgusting. So removing them would be a better option. And bro, don't give that clink 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 kind of music in this video, please, like that chicken fry challenge was. We are trimming this beef right now to get this oily parts out and some disgusting slimes. So yeah, that's all. Hey, we got so much meat over here. It's gonna take plenty of time. Bro, show a montage that we're cleaning this beef, otherwise they're gonna sleep. Like we're just cleaning this beef. So let's shot a montage. Right now I'm trimming this onion all by alone. I got none of my crew members. Like, I got nothing to say. So let's trim these onions, and we're gonna chop this out after that, and then we're gonna trim down. Do we trim down the green chilies? Just we chop them down, right? Yeah. So we are dropping this after one eternity. We're gonna do that. Are you in Tinder app? Okay, right now we are gonna give some mustard oil over here. The smoke is burning my eyes. So some mustard oil. Lots of mustard oil, around a kilo of mustard oil. Now we are gonna give turmeric paste and ginger paste and onion paste. Then my secret spices with cardamom and other spices, Indian spices. জিরা ফাঁকি ভাই, এগুলো হচ্ছে জিরা ফাঁকি। এটা এখন আমরা জিরা ফাঁকি দিব। So, chili powder, ghost reaper powder, hey, can you open this for me? Now we are going to start this. I need some more tissue. Giving some onions and green chili. Some MSG. And some salt. We're adding potatoes right now. We got around 1.5 kilo potato peeled up and sliced into small cubes. And now we are going to wait more 2 minutes. Then after that, we're gonna add the bias. We wanted to cook biryani, but rather we had cooked khichuri. For us, our family member didn't cook the dinner. They were waiting for this paya biryani. So, bro, did you show them that we cooked khichuri? Please show them, bro. Please show them. Bro, can you move forward? We had cooked khichuri rather than biryani. Okay, let's do what we're gonna do. I don't have any more, nothing to say, and I'm Okay, let's show them what we have cooked. I think this is not biryani anymore. This is khichuri right now, bhuna khichuri.